Welcome back, dear students. Welcome back to this lesson. And we are going to start how I taught my grandmother or something like this. Why I'm saying so? Because let me tell you my method. How am I going to take you to this journey of learning this lesson? See, on this channel, you are not going to get something very interesting type of thing. Here, I am going to opt for a very traditional type of method. Traditional does not mean boring and strictly uninteresting, but it does actually mean that I am not going to show you a lot of pictures and animations and digital boards, etc., which are in vogue these days. If you are here on on this channel, then expect from me a knowledge based teaching and learning. What I'm going to teach you is language through your text. Okay. And here I will take you to the lessons through the lesson in a way that you yourself can learn the language and extract the meaning out of it. Extract the meaning out of it. Okay, so uh, stay tuned with me, have patience, and listen to these lessons. This is going to be really helpful for you in your life and passing the examinations, writing answers in your examinations. It will give you a really good hold over your syllabus in English language. By the end of all these lessons, you will feel confidence in yourself regarding the syllabus and the language, that is English language. Here, first of all, I will give you a grocery list and I will uh, go through it so that you can remember the important words. And this is actually, it appears something very not very relevant, but it is very relevant that you should remember. At least, cramming is not good in NP, new education policy. Always we are talking about cramming, that students should learn by doing an activity. That is fine, that is okay at the cognitive level. Okay, cognitive level, and learning different other subjects. But here, somehow, I will be disappointing you by stating that to some extent, if you cram, if you mug up things, it really helps. And cramming should not be boring or a punishment type of thing. Cramming can be really interesting if you make cards and if you skim through those cards. So cramming is important. So I would suggest that please remember, in whatsoever manner, how so you do it, please remember these words and all other such glossary lists which I would provide you in the beginning of each lesson. It will help you to write answers, and moreover, it will help you to speak the language, write the language, English language, and overall growth. So let's begin. These are the words which would occur, which would come up in front of you in your text, which we are going to read. And first word is protagonist, and here Hindi pronunciation is also given. Though since this is for CBSE, I would try to speak only in English because this is really important for you. And moreover, there are many other channels which are available. You can go there and you can listen to Manohar Kahaniya. Means they are telling the stories in a very kind of casual, kind of very interesting manner, and I'm not speaking at all English, because uh, this is their teaching method. But I believe that if you are reading English, you should read English in English medium, not in Hindi medium. No, English medium, and listening to the language is one part. That is why teacher is required. Otherwise you can just Google it, and you get everything, because these days Google and Chat GPT is really versatile. So there is no point that somebody comes and starts telling you Manohar Kahani of your chapter, that this lady, there was an old lady, and like that. So that is also a way. But here I am going to take you through the lessons in a proper and in-depth manner. So first word is protagonist. Protagonist means main character in a story. Mukhya patra. Here English Hindi pronunciation is also given, and I this is given because so that you can use these words in your own language, in your own usage. Debate, a lot of debate is going on. You get to hear this in newspaper these days or social media discussion, formal discussion, or even bahas charcha. Episode, everyone knows. Community means samudaya, samaj, a group of people, you know. It is also called tribe. Like online you get, na, this is my tribe. So you can also say this is my community. And concentration, close attention or focus. This is something really very important for uh, studying and for focusing on anything. Energy, sorry, eagerly, utsukta se, with a strong desire and excitement. Convincing, किसी को convince करना, to convince somebody, to be persuasive of somebody. Ardent, not ardent, actually it is ardent, very enthusiastic and utsuk. Ultimate, param, sarvoch, punya. It is a Hindi word which has been imbibed in English in this chapter. Orphan, अनाथ जिसके पेरेंट्स ना हो. आइडेंटिफाइड, चिन्हित, पहचानना. इंसिस्ट, डिमांड फोर्सफुली, जोर देना किसी बात पे, जिद करना, है ना. ही इंसिस्टेड दैट आई शुड कम टू हिज होम. ठीक है, ही शी इंसिस्टेड दैट आई शुड विजिट हर प्लेस व्हेन देयर इज नोबडी एट हर होम, है ना. इंटरेस्टिंग यूसेज है. सो कंट्री, कोर्टयार्ड, कोर्टयार्ड मीन्स आंगन. सेवरिंग, spelling is important, it's sometimes difficult to remember this. So enjoying something to the fullest, मजा लेना, आनंद लेना. Thoroughly, properly, thoroughly, है ना, पूरी तरह से. I went through the chapter thoroughly. This is important word. Affectionate, affectionate, स्नेह भरा, प्यार भरा, है ना. My parents, my relatives loves me, gave me ice cream affectionately. ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. You can say like this. Essential, essential. It is not essential, it is essential. Okay. आवश्यक, जरूरी. Regret, पश्चाताप. Hmm. Immensely, I regret, why did I get birth? Something like this. Immensely, अत्यधिक, बहुत ज्यादा. Embarrassed, परेशान, शर्मिंदा, झेपा हुआ. Dependent, निर्भर, आश्रित. Helpless, determination, wrinkled. देख लेना, you can go through it and you can download the PDF. I will upload it if somebody comments on it, comments for it and asks for it. I will definitely upload it. Obstacle, बाधा, रुकावट. Recite, पढ़ना, जोर जोर से. Taken aback. This is a very good use. You can cram it and you can use it in your writing while you are writing answers or when you are talking to somebody, that I was really taken aback. Scriptures, धर्म ग्रंथ. Irrespective, बिना किसी भेदभाव के. Without consider, regardless, peerless, अद्वितीय. And sanctified, पवित्र किया हुआ. Something which is sanctified. Auspicious, शुभ, मांगलिक. Antiquity, प्राचीन, पुराना. Mighty, बहुत शक्तिशाली. Mighty empire. Sacred, पवित्र. Gallant, वीर, साहसी, sage. So in this way you can download this and cram this. So here comes the lesson. So can you remember, can you identify who is she? This lady is Sudha Murthy, है ना? And she is the author of your present text. And she has authored many other books. Recently, a book was published by her. It was on the paintings installed in Parliament House. Painting in Parliament House. Parliament House. So she is not very versatile writer. As of now, she is also Rajya Sabha member. She is also Rajya Sabha member. Okay, there are many other things about her. You have to Google her name and find out her biography. So here, she was born on 19th August 1950. Means her birthday was recently passed, has passed, है ना? Perhaps just day before yesterday or something like this. She had birthday. So now let us begin the text. And here comes the story. You already know about this chapter a little bit. If you do not know, stay with me, and I will go through it. When I was a girl of about 12, when I was jab, I will also I will also translate it in Hindi just for your understanding. Otherwise, my major explanation would be in English. When I was a girl of 12, जब मैं 12 साल की एक लड़की थी. When I was past indefinite, a girl of 12, about 12. I used to stay in village in North Karnataka. ये कर्नाटक नॉर्थ कर्नाटक के गांव में रहती थी. यूज टू स्टे, सी दिस इज a यूज, दिस इज a यूसेज, है ना. यूज टू, आई मैं करता था, मैं पहले बचपन में शेर का शिकार किया करता था. आई यूज टू हंट लॉयंस इन माई चाइल्डहुड. सो यूज टू, आई यूज टू स्टे इन विलेज इन नॉर्थ कर्नाटका विथ माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. किसके साथ? अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ ये रहती थी. शी यूज टू स्टे विथ हर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. Those days, transport system was not very good. उन दिनों ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम, परिवहन का साधन बहुत was not very good, बहुत अच्छा नहीं था. In olden days, the transport system, means of conveyance like bus, train, these transport systems were not good. This is what she is saying. So इसलिए, so what happened? So we used to, फिर used to आ गया ना. Second time we get to listen this used to. First one is this and second one is this. We used to get मॉर्निंग पेपर ओनली इन द आफ्टरनून. हमको जो न्यूज़ पेपर था, अखबार था, वो सिर्फ शाम दोपहर के बाद मिलता था, है ना. सो लेट अस डिकोड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस. दैट what she is saying, that we, so इसलिए we, हम, used to get, हमें प्राप्त होता था, मिलता था. क्या मिलता था? What she used to get? Morning newspaper. Morning newspaper, this is the object in the sentence. What she used to get? Morning newspaper. Only, hmm? Adverb, है ना. क्वालिफाइंग एडवर्ब, है ना. इन आफ्टरनून, ठीक है. सो शी यूज टू गेट, those days transport system conveyance was not very good, so she used to get, they used to get newspaper only, morning newspaper only in the afternoon, only in the afternoon. The weekly magazine, साप्ताहिक पत्रिका, used to come one day late. जो उनकी साप्ताहिक पत्रिका थी वो एक दिन बाद आती थी. फिर used to आया थर्ड टाइम. used to come one day late. All of us, this is also used, हम सभी, would sit wait eagerly for the bus. All of they, all of them would wait eagerly. They will wait that bus should come and deliver the newspaper. वे सभी eagerly बैठ के बस का इंतजार करते थे. Which, जो कि, used to, again used to आ गया. To come with the papers, जो कि अक्सर जो है पेपर को लेके आती थी. So what is she telling? That she was living in a rural Karnataka. When she was child, she was living with her grandparents at the age of 12. And since conveyance system, since the network, since the transport and connectivity was weak, overall connectivity, है ना, connectivity was weak those days. So they used to get their newspapers and monthly magazines, weekly magazines late by the, and the post also used to come. Post means mail, post letter. At that time, उस समय, at that time, Triveni was a very popular writer in Kannada language. Who was Triveni? Triveni बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध लेखक थी कन्नड़ में, वो ये बता रहे हैं, ठीक है. She was a very famous writer in Kannada. Like these days, Sudha Murthy is a very famous writer in English. She was a wonderful writer. हाउ, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ राइटर शी वाज? वो एक अच्छी लेखक थी, एक बड़ी बहुत मजेदार और बढ़िया लेखक थी. शी वाज ए वंडरफुल राइटर. हियर यू कैन सी द इमेज. शी इज त्रिवेणी. ओके, शी इज त्रिवेणी. सो शी वाज वंडरफुल राइटर. हर स्टाइल, किसका स्टाइल? त्रिवेणी का स्टाइल वाज इजी टू रीड एंड वेरी कन्विंसिंग. इनका जो स्टाइल था वो बहुत आसान था और बहुत प्रभावित करने वाला, बहुत विश्वास दिला देने वाला इनका स्टाइल था. हर स्टोरीज, इनकी जो कहानियां थी, यूजुअली, सामान्य तौर पर, डेल्ट विथ, डेल्ट विथ, डील करती थी मतलब बताती थी कॉम्प्लेक्स साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स इन द लाइफ्स ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पीपल वेयर वी वेर ऑलवेज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। मतलब यहाँ पर ये है कहानी कि वो जो त्रिवेणी थी अपने कहानियों में जो सामान्य आदमी था, ऑर्डिनरी पीपल, उसके जीवन की जो गंभीर मनोवैज्ञानिक समस्याएं हैं उनको डील करती थी वो, और उस पर साहित्य या कहानी लिखती थी। What are so let me rephrase it. So her stories were interesting particularly because she used to write about the complex psychological problems of common man. Complex psychological problem of common man. Like what are those? What are the complex psychological problems? Can you list out? Like nowadays people are depressed. You know why they are depressed? Because they are not able to stop scrolling on mobile, and they are not able to come out of their financial debt, and many other problems in relations, you know, that you can list out here. You know better. You people also deal with many complex problems. Like one of your friend is interested in two of your other friends, but you are interested in that friend. So these kind of complex situations, you understand, na? These kind of complex situations she used to deal. That is why that is why it was very interesting, है ना? So this is what she is trying to tell. Unfortunately for कन्नड़ लिटरेचर के दुर्भाग्य के ये रहा, कन्नड़ लिटरेचर का ही दुर्भाग्य रहा। शी वांट्स टू टेल दैट ये कन्नड़ साहित्य का दुर्भाग्य था कि शी डाइड वेरी यंग, बहुत जल्दी ही मर गई। कौन? ये जो है ना त्रिवेणी जी, ये बहुत जल्दी ही मर गई। So it was very really unfortunate for Kannada literature. It was a loss for Kannada literature. Even now, अभी भी आफ्टर 40 ईयर्स, 40 वर्षों के बाद, पीपल कंटिन्यू टू अप्रिशिएट हर नॉवेल्स। अभी भी अप्रिशिएट हर नॉवेल्स मतलब इवे उसके नॉवल की, उसके जो उन्होंने उपन्यास जो लिखे उनकी प्रशंसा होती है। इवन आफ्टर 40 ईयर्स पीपल अप्रिशिएट हर नॉवेल्स। One of her novels, see this, one of her novels, you can say one of her books, one of her houses, one of our friends, her friends, something like this. One of her novels called Kashi Yatra was appearing as a series in Kannada weekly Karamveera then. ठीक है, उनका उनकी जो एक उनका जो नॉवल है काशी यात्रा, वो आ रहा था एक करमवीरा करके एक मैगजीन थी, उसमें हर सप्ताह जो है उसका छोटा छोटा हिस्सा आता था। ठीक है, प्रकाशित होता था। सीरीज मतलब एक छोटा सा पार्ट, जैसे 7 दिन का पेपर है तो एक दिन थोड़ा आ गया, दूसरे में दूसरा आ गया, तीसरे में तीसरा आ गया। अर्लियर इट वाज ट्रेंड, यू इट मे बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू रिलेट because these trends have vanished, but earlier it was a scenario that in newspaper novels were published in parts, so that was called series. So she is telling the same thing, that uh, in Karamveera, her novel Kashi Yatra appeared in series. So it is very famous. She will narrate it here. It is the story. I hope you are able to see this. I have changed the color because just because for the fun, and so that you can get kind of stimulation, visual stimulation. It is the story of an old lady. Now the writer is telling about the Kashi Yatra. Here, I will let me tell you, these are important short answer questions. This you need to remember this Karamveera and Kashi Yatra, and these two words, remember that this is how it happened. It is the story of an old lady and her ardent desire, ardent मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा उसकी इच्छा थी, कोई बूढ़ी लेडी थी, उनकी बहुत ही तीव्र इच्छा थी टू गो टू काशी और वाराणसी, कि वो काशी अथवा वाराणसी जाएं। There is a lady, so in this picture we get to meet a lady, a character is introduced. Up to now we got to know three characters, one author, another this Triveni, and now in her story there is another lady, old lady. This is third character. So and she had very ardent desire to go to Varanasi. Most of Hindus believe that going to Kashi and worshipping Lord Vishweshwara is ultimate punya. ज्यादातर हिंदू ऐसा मानते हैं कि काशी जाना और लॉर्ड विश्वेश्वर की पूजा करने से पुण्य मिलता है। यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, दैट इट इज टेलिंग दैट द राइटर इज टेलिंग दैट मोस्ट हिंदू बिलीव that one should go to Kashi and worship the Lord Vishweshwara so that we can earn some punya. है ना. It is just like this old lady also believed in this. ये ओल्ड लेडी जो थी वो भी ऐसा ही मानती थी. दिस ओल्ड लेडी, विच ओल्ड लेडी, विच इज अ मेन कैरेक्टर इन द लेडी इन द स्टोरी, ऑल्सो बिलीव्ड पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, है ना, इन दिस मीन्स ये जो भी कहा गया है, वट एवर हैज बीन टोल्ड. एंड हर स्ट्रगल टू गो देयर, हर स्ट्रगल उनका संघर्ष, टू गो देयर वेयर, वाराणसी, वॉज डिस्क्राइब्ड इन द नॉवल, उनका जो स्ट्रगल था वाराणसी जाने का वो कहानी में बताया गया था. किस कहानी में? काशी यात्रा में. In the story there was also a young orphan girl. ये मेन सेंटेंस है और यहाँ से who से एक दूसरा सेंटेंस शुरू हो रहा है. This is the main sentence and from here there are another word sentences starting. So first we will understand the meaning of, decode the meaning of this sentence, and then we will go to the next sentence. This is how you should try to read it by your own and try to get hold of the text so that you can learn by your own. इन दिस स्टोरी देर वॉज, बस इतना ही देखते हैं. एक इस कहानी में देर वॉज, ऑल्सो को भी छोड़ देते हैं, एक लड़की थी, एक अनाथ लड़की थी. ठीक है. अब इस कहानी में भी एक अनाथ लड़की थी. दिस इज द मीनिंग. इन दिस स्टोरी ऑल्सो देर वॉज ए ऑर्फन गर्ल, और देर वॉज अ गर्ल हु वॉज ऑर्फन. अब उसके बारे में लेट अस टेक द फर्दर डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस गर्ल हु फॉल्स इन लव. बट देर वॉज, हु फॉल्स इन लव, जो कि इनके साथ जाना चाहती है, बट देर वॉज नो मनी फॉर द वेडिंग. तो एक लड़की है जो कि शादी करना चाहती है, लेकिन देर वॉज नो मनी फॉर द वेडिंग. एंड अंत में द ओल्ड लेडी गिव्स, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, गिव्स अवे दे देती है, ऑल हर सेविंग्स विदाउट गोइंग टू काशी. सो इसमें कहानी में यह है कि इन दिस स्टोरी देर इज अ old lady, she wants to go to Varanasi, Kashi, but she does not go, and she sacrifices her desire for orphan girl for, and gives her all her savings for the wedding of that girl. Okay, so this is the story as of now. I hope you are finding it interesting and meaningful, and I will stop here today and I'll start again in next part. I will continue like this. Thank you.